Selling products on discount? So advertise it with your editing skills. Hey creators, this is Deepak from Filmora Creator Academy, and today we will learn how you can make cool Cyber Monday sale promo videos. So stay tuned. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora updates in future. So I have two sample product images with transparent background, and I have one background image and a background music. So let's start our editing. Add the music here first, then go to the elements tab, and from here get some background elements for your video. Like this one, I'm adding it on the timeline, and then I'll make it double for more products in future. Now go to the titles tab, and from here get some cool titles for your products. You can directly search for them on titles tab, or you can download them from film stocks. So on this film stocks category, I will go here, and I have this one, Cyber Monday pack. So add an attractive title for the customers. I'll add this one, will decrease its duration by trimming it to here, and it's looking awesome now. Just need a smoother ending, right? So just go to the transitions tab and add dissolve at the ending to make it smoother. Now take out your background from the media tab, and this one will be used for the background for our products. So just add it here, increase its duration, then you can double click on it to get your tools, and from here you can go to the animation tab and click on this customize subcategory. Now we need to give a simple animation for starting, for in between, and for the ending. So just add them one by one, like add a keyframe here and place the object somewhere around here, then go a bit back to add a starting point and place your object somewhere here. Now it's looking good. With the same manner, I will add one more animation at the middle of the layer where the object will come from right to left, and at the end add animation where the object will come from here and it will completely go to left, and make its opacity to 0 to make it more smoother. Time to add the products. So just go to the media tab and add this one here at the first, double click on it, and from the preset of animation tab add this boom one or any other that you like, and it should look attractive. Adjust the layer, then go to the titles tab and get some attractive titles like the Black Friday ones that you can search from the title tab. I have this one, Black Friday pack. I will add it at the top here, and of course we need to change the text, so just double click on it and change the text to whatever you want. Like you can type the product category, product model name, the starting price, and so on. From the title group controller, you can change the scale, the rotation, and the positioning of the title. Now in the elements tab, get some cool graphical elements like this motion graphic from Cyber Monday pack. You can get the same elements by searching their name or the name of the pack. So add it here at the top, and on the project media, place it here at the blank space. Now on the transitions tab, add dissolve transition on the element and on the title, and of course we have the boom animation for the product. Do the same with your remaining products as well. Just add your product, adjust it, add the title, adjust that, and add the element as well at the right position. Also, you can go to advanced text editing to go a bit more deeper and customize your text. Lastly, I suggest you to add one more element at the last, appealing to the customers to buy your products, like this shop now banner from Cyber Monday pack. Add it here at the end and trim the waste. Super, we are done with the video. Let's export it and watch how it's looking. We did it, creators! The video is really appealing for your customers. Now it's time to comment down below and let us know what are your favorite elements to make your Cyber Monday videos. See you in the next one video of Filmora Creator Academy. Goodbye. If you like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom of the video to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.